So let's dive into this bad boy. I've been streaming mobile games on Twitch for 11 years now, and I wanted to see if I can get something to make my phone run a little bit cooler. This was only $11, so let's try it out. First thing out the box is a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is good. It's not as short as a lot of these products like to give you, so I might actually use that. Next up, we have the clips. So if you don't have MagSafe, you can use these clips to attach it to your phone. I will not be using these. And now we have the fan cooler itself. It's very lightweight, which is great because I'm not trying to add too much weight and make gaming uncomfortable. And we also have the third way to attach this device to your phone. I will not be using this as well. I'm just going to use the straight MagSafe method. I don't need this sticker at all. I am so anxious to see if this works because I've literally been debating on getting one of these for a long time. So like, I'm just ready to get straight to business. Now this plate right here is supposed to work like a fridge would work. So it's supposed to instantly get cold. And then you got the fan on the back side, USB-C. You got the holes for those clips. It's really nicely built for $11. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. I don't know why I'm pressing this button because this bad boy is not battery powered. It's only going to work when it's plugged up, just so you know. Now let's plug this bad boy in and see what it is working with. I like the lighting. I would rather not have the lighting, but we kind of stuck with that. And man, this thing is instantly cold. It is cold, look at that. So this is going to be similar to like sitting your phone on ice, like a lot of us mobile gamers tend to do, except for you just got the ice in your hand at all times. You have 4 different levels, P3, P2, P1, and you have AI. Now AI will adjust the fan speed based off your device's temperature. Now this attaches to your phone like any other MagSafe product, nice and easy. At first, before I bought this, I was curious to whether this would work or not, but as soon as I plugged it up and seen it get cold, I already knew this was going to work. So through my testing of running some Destiny Rising, this works very well. There's even times where the glass is actually cold, which I thought was very impressive. Now, the one thing that I have a slight issue with is my hands are huge. So it looks like I'm throwing up gang signs when I'm trying to find a proper position to place my hands, but I knew this would be an issue coming into this. I'm highly impressed with how quiet the fan noise is, even at the highest level. I'm somebody who always like to have a case on my phone. I'm usually not comfortable not having a case, so I also wanted to test this out while having the case on. With the case on, it does work, but not as well as it does with the case off. But you can get by with having the case on, so I think I'll be bouncing back and forth between the two. In conclusion, this bad boy works. Now I know they got more expensive ones on Amazon that has built-in batteries. I don't necessarily need a built-in battery, and I feel like a built-in battery will add more heat if that thing is charging while you're using it. This thing gets it done for 11 bucks, and I'm happy with it. But that's all I got for y'all. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. I'm out.